Hello everyone from the IFBF. It's PJ Patterson, the chairman of the IFBF, and I'd like to invite you to a special webinar series that I am running, or workshop series that I'm running on financial education, specifically around three things. These are three conversations that you'll be able to have with your clients once you do these workshops with confidence that you can actually deeply discuss with them some of their needs and objectives, and then be able to refer those clients on to a financial planner or a financial advisor that has a license to act on these things. First workshop's coming up very soon on the 15th of June. It's about wills and estate planning. Very important topic. The number of times I see people without wills is astounding, and you as a mortgage and finance broker are in the perfect position to have that conversation, especially because we do put people in their first homes, and we refinance people in their primary homes, etc. It's a very good conversation to be able to have. The second thing is how to protect those things. So that second workshop, which is coming up in July, will be all about personal risk and how you can position that for the client. And again, your job is not to sell it, it's to refer it, to identify a need, to raise that awareness with the client, and then to pass that on to a financial advisor. And then thirdly, in August, we're going to be talking about debt recycling and how you as a mortgage and finance broker can initiate that conversation around borrowing money to do things like investing, not just in property, but in shares and other asset classes. Again, this will be a great opportunity for you to learn about these things, but also the ability for you to develop the knowledge and the conversation starter that you need to have or can have with a financial advisor to say, hey, I've got clients that I can refer you today who need some of these things dealt with. So please come along. The workshops are absolutely free. Register via this link. You can go to the IFBF website. You can also go to my website, intrepidwealth.com.au, and register via that website. Please take this opportunity to upskill and learn some things. As a trusted advisor, you are in a perfect position to have these conversations. I want to give you some knowledge and skills and how to do that, and I'll look forward to seeing you at the workshop.